Hi, welcome back. This time we will make app like Google Tasks with react.js. There are three main menu: Tasks, Done, Favorite. These each menu are interconnected. Let me show. I will edit. I'm trying to move it to Done. Try Favorite. Send back again to Task. Moving again. Yeah, still good. Working. There are two main libraries we will use: react.js and Bulma for UI framework. This is bulma.io. This is open source with some benefit. We will use it. We can go to bulma.io and check it out. Now go to project folder and create React Fresh App, and I'm gonna try to start it. And then here will show up, and I'm gonna check no error for the console. And then we prepare for add Bulma CSS to our project. We add font awesome here because Bulma will use it. We don't need this. Now we install Bulma with npm. Okay, we try to start it. It's okay, no error. Now we can import Bulma to our project, and I'm gonna try with some code, and this button code. Okay, work perfectly. And now we prepare for the logic unit constructor, and we add state here. Okay, don't worry, we still need some step. Okay, enough I think. And this function for unique ID for every task, like primary key. Yeah, like primary key. We will use a ID string minus match random function, and this function for handle the modal task. And then we prepare for submit task of the new and update task logic, and this for handle the input change for every input text. We just need the name and value. And now we prepare for remove task, and here for edit task, and here for convert the date time. We need prevent default for stop the reload when we submit the form. In here we get the state. And I make a condition 0 for create the new data and the other for update. Don't forget we will make unique ID function and we use it now. And now we update the data for the equal index. Finally, we update the start states, and I'm gonna check a modal state. um we don't need the s string. I'm gonna del in here. Okay, clear. This for reset the value form. Now we move to remove function. We get the toasted and we need splice function. Yeah, I'm gonna copy paste the reset. Okay, now this is for edit task. The important thing, uh, the data is from task with equal index. Don't forget to change the action to 1. And now we move to view the time. This function for convert the view for date and time. I'm use the local date string function. And now this for the UI button navigation. And first we need the container, and this I was open Bulma site and use this code. And this for button navigation, use this code. Yeah, like this. And we change the icon and we need to improve the UI. Okay, this for the count of task data. We get the state here and we get the length. Okay, and this for done task. Don't forget for declare the variable and we get it. And this last for favorite task. And after that, the div here for the list from our data. Okay, now we add the round like this and copy paste to the others. That's good, look beautiful. Now we will prepare for render the task. And here we will create the condition here. And if render equal 1 is the for task and 2 for done and I think so 3 for favorite. Okay, will be like this and here end of container and here we will create model for our form. Then here code for our model. We will copy this and paste in here. And this for the content of our model. We will this variable and place in here. We will use this variable for trigger the model for open and close. And the background action we place in here like this. If we click the background of the model will close. And we copy and paste to the close icon. And in top button we paste to in here for open the model. And next we will create our form here. We don't need placeholder. Yeah, we should add the state here. It will use to our form. We add the input change function. Okay. Yeah, perfect. Then we copy this and paste for next field. And the last for date and time. And don't forget to add the button for submit our form. And we add the submit function here. And we check okay perfectly. Now we will modify the top navigation. And we add the variable for every node active. We will use this in every button. We set the state in onClick function. We can copy paste in here and onClick function 2, and this for last button. So we're gonna check. Okay, perfect. Now we add name property to input. Add this for every input. Then we focus on looping our data. We will use map function. um, I will use this code and paste it here, and we will modify some code. I think we don't need this. This for title, and we use our function view the time for convert the time, and we add some button in bottom. This for edit, and this for favorite. Modify the button. Okay, perfect. Don't forget delete function, and this for edit function. We're gonna check. Yes, good, and delete is going perfectly. Now we check our UI again. Don't forget to give key. And I think the time I will move to bottom. Yep, in here. Now we focus on task done, and here we get the index. and we get the state here. Here we move from task to done task, and here we will delete the data from task, and we can update state now. And here the remove function, we get the index and we get the state, and we use splice function again for delete. We update the state. Okay, in here undone function, this is for restore from um, the done task function, I mean the done task state to task state, will be restored from done task state to task state. And we will do for remove the done task. And now we focus on render the done task. We use this function and we modify some UI. This for undone, this for favorite, and this for remove. This for done. This undone function, and we're gonna check. We add some tasks. Try to done. Move going perfectly will be restored. Yeah, this again will be restored. It's going perfectly. Next for favorite. Now we will focus on logic of favorite task, and here for task to favorite we initial the state here. The first condition for if favorite false, and second when favorite true, and the last we're gonna update the state. And next we focus on done to favorite. We pass the here, and first we're gonna initial the state, and the logic we're looking it's same with before. There are second there are I mean there are two conditions, one for false and second if the favorite true, and the last we're gonna update the state. And next we will focus on UI of favorite. We pass the here, and for render task equal 3 we use same function is map. I'm gonna check is make sure that everything good. Yes, this is for remove the favorite, and we connect the function here. We need index and id. Also here for down to favorite, we need index and id. I'm gonna check, make sure everything work perfectly. This for edit and this for favorite. That's going perfectly. I'm gonna check again. It's good. This for done to favorite. That's perfectly. Now we will give a red color to the love icon for every favorite task. We give the condition if true, we give this, and if not true, they got nothing. Gonna check restart again. Oh yes, everything works perfectly. Yes. Now we final and replace um, class with class name, and here we go, we replace all, and then I'm gonna check everything work perfectly, still good. And also we can check in the console, there are no error again or warning. Thanks for watching guys. Give like, comments if you enjoy, and subscribe for keep supporting me, and see you in next video.